Good day everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I am Tanvir Ahmed and I am currently pursuing my bachelor degree in tourism and hospitality management in Daffodil International University. I am now in my third year, 7th semester of my academic journey. I complete my SSC from Chisti Academic School with a GPA in 3.16 and I complete HSC from Shavar Laboratory College with a GPA in 3.50. I am currently living in Shavar and I am from Tangai. Alongside my academic study, I actively engage in various extracurriculum and co-curriculum activities. I involve in cultural club, foodies club and DIU band society. This activity helped me to develop important skills such as communication, leadership, teamwork, confidence and many others teamwork. Volunteering activities and sports team participation. This experience have shaped me my personality, involved my responsibility and trust me how to work effectively and different environment. From a passion in tourism and hospitality management, I have developed strong interest in cooking, communication and leadership. I am always engaged to learn new skills, improve myself in practice and real world situation. I believe the hospitality industry is not a profession but a service oriented field where creative and determine most in various. My career goal is become to a professional chef and eventually own my own restaurant. I want to build career where I serve people with quality food and memorable experience while also building a successful business in the hospitality industry. In the future, I also plan to pursue high studies in abroad to gain international exposure and improve my skill. Apart from academic, I enjoy traveling, playing basketball, and video gaming. This hobby helped me to stay active and motivated my daily life. Lastly, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude in Daffodil International University Department of Tourism and Hospitality Management. The guidance, support, and opportunity I have received here have truly shaped my academic and personal journey. I am proud to be a part of this incredible community.